Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Amharic Fast. Do you want to build a strong Amharic vocabulary? Then you are in the right place. I'm going to start a 10-word challenge video series. I will publish videos every day if I can, as I did with the 1000 Amharic Words challenge in the past. You will find the challenge somewhere here if you didn't watch it before, but if I can't publish daily, at least I will publish 2 times a week, on Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. in the afternoon. So in this series, you will not only learn singly isolated words, but also you will learn daily used Amharic phrases and sentences. Also, you will improve your Amharic reading speed, pronunciation, and listening. And even you will develop your understanding of the Amharic basic grammar rules. So we are starting with ha tomorrow, and we will go all the way to the letter pa. But to get the most out of this challenge, please repeat each word and sample sentences after me. This will develop your pronunciation, reading, and listening skills. I may not find words that start with all the Amharic letters. For example, there are no more than 10 words that start with letter he. And I also definitely not find words that start with nye, je, pa, ha, etc. So we will only focus on the letters we use to build words. If I can, I will publish videos every day at 5 p.m. in the afternoon, alright? So please check my YouTube channel at that time. And I want to finish this challenge very quickly by releasing serious videos while keeping the momentum so that you can learn much in a shorter time. You also participate by liking my videos and asking me in the comment section. So inshallah, tomorrow we will start from letter ha and we'll learn 10 must know words start with the letter ha. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel so that you do not miss any Amharic video from the challenge. So see you there. Bye. Dana daru, dana alu.